clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. So I decided to do a sunset type of look today. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. Okay. So what is we gonna do? What is we gonna do, child? We just gonna do a look, okay? So as you can tell, there are no brows, so I'm gonna be showing you how I do my brows today. I thought about doing this like in a separate video, child. Get them lips because they is dry. Do something. I digress. All right. What was I saying? Yes, a lot of y'all noticed that my brow game has changed a little bit and you want to see me do my brows, like you know what I'm saying? So I was thinking about doing like a separate video and all of that, but child, truth be told, I just ain't got the time, okay? So I'm gonna do it in this video right here, right now. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. First things first, I'm gonna go in with the Sigma Clear Brow Gel, and with this I am going to push up my brows just to get them to stay up. And this is my first time to use this, so I'm really excited. So let's do the do, okay? Ooh, that pop was loud, wasn't it? Okay, so now that the Clear Brow Gel is dry, we're gonna go in and do them, and I have been filling in them with powder lately. This one is by Sigma and this is the dark one, and I've been using a flat style eyeshadow brush. For all the brushes that I use, so many of you keep asking me about the brushes. I'm gonna have all of my brushes listed down below if I don't call them in the video, okay? So this is E15, and instead of using like a angled brush, I use more of a flat brush now. I find that I really get some bomb brows with a flat brush. You see what I'm saying? So the brows are filled in, and now it is time to clean up under them. And for that, I'm going to be taking my Colourpop Concealer in number 40, and I'm just going to dab that under there and then swipe under there and clean it up and all that good stuff, make it nice and bright and clean. You see what I'm saying? So the brows can really pop. You see what I'm saying? Also covers up any of those hairs. Okay, so I found a new base that I really love, and a lot comes in it. You know what I'm saying? This is the Dermablend. Okay, I don't know what I was gonna say. All right, this is the Dermablend, and I'm gonna be using the shade Golden Beige. Okay, and with this, I'm gonna take my concealer brush and then go in and tap it all over my lid. It is full coverage and it's really good for eyeshadows as well. So okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge. And this is also from Sigma. How cute is this? You know what I'm saying? It fits right in there, so I like it. And mine is damp, and I like to just pat and spread all of that out. I kid you not, this is my new favorite base, and I'm gonna have this for a long time, so I'm really happy about that. Okay, I know you guys has probably seen me use this company stuff, but I am telling you, okay, these are some good eyeshadows, okay? So going into the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, I am going to go into this rusty shade right here. And with that, I'm going to place that into my crease area, and that's gonna act as my transition shade. Okay, so in this same palette, I'm going to go into this deep purpley type of, it's not quite navy blue, it's not quite, it's one of those unique colors. It's kind of like purple blue, you see what I'm saying? But it's really deep. So with that, I'm going to create my outer V and all of that good stuff. And because I know I'm going to get asked what brush I am using, this is the E70, also by Sigma. But like I said, for all the brushes, I'm going to start linking them down below, okay? So don't you worry your pretty little self. If I don't mention it in the video, please check the description box. It will be down there, because I get so many questions. What brush is that? What brush is that? And I get it. I completely get it, because tools are super important in really knocking out a look, okay? I get it. I got you. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go into the Zulu palette. Zulu. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay. Wrong with me. Okay, forgive me. I'm gonna be taking the purple shade right here, and with that, I'm gonna kind of place it right on top of that, like right there. And you know what I'm saying? Just work with me a little bit, okay? Next on the menu, I know I'm using a lot of Juvia split. I promise you, this is not an ad for them, okay? I just really love the eyeshadows, okay? So in the Festival palette, I am going to be taking this red shade right here, and with that, I'm gonna pat that right beside that purple and blend it over. You know, know, so we can have a nice little transition. And I'm going to keep it close. I'm not going to go too far over with it because I'm going to be doing an orange in the inner corner, and I don't want the red to dominate the whole entire look. You get what I'm saying? Like a little pop in there. You know what I'm saying? Right beside it, you just want to scratch over the purple and the red. That way it blends for you. Okay, so in the inner corner, I'm going to be taking this orangey shade right here from the Festival palette. And do you see how bomb that looks? Like, I don't even see the red. Like, what was the point in the red? Like, hello? So we just gonna go ahead and place that where we need to place that, okay? Okay, now very lightly, I'm just gonna go in on the edge right here and just blend that with the same brush. Okay, I was conflicted a while ago. I was sitting here for a good 5-6 minutes, you know, just thinking about what am I gonna do? Am I gonna line this? What am I gonna put on my lower lash line? I still haven't figured out the lower lash line, but I wanna do something funky with the liner. So, you know how people be doing that reverse look with the eyeliner? I don't even know how to explain that, honey. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna be trying that for the first time today. So first I'm gonna go in with my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, and I am going to line my eyes because we're gonna be placing eyeshadow on top of the liner. The eyes are lined and my fingers are crossed that this looks good. So we're gonna go in with the purple from the Zulu palette, and first we're going to place that on the inner corner, and I'm gonna be using a teeny tiny angled brush for this because, honey, you don't want to mess this up, okay? And we're just gonna press it in, so I'm not gonna talk during this section. I need it to be perfect. All right. Okay, so for the other half, I'm going to take the orange shade, and with that, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm feeling this. Are you guys feeling this? I said what I said when I said what I said. Ay, Dios mío, okay, so for my lower lash line, because there's so much going on with the eyes, I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna use what I'm saying. So I'm gonna use the purple from the Zulu palette, okay? And with that, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, so I got my lashes on and I'm in here taking a little break. We got some Maybelline, okay? And contrary to popular belief, not everything is supposed to be eaten with a chopstick over here, okay? This is supposed to be actually eaten with a spoon, just letting y'all know, okay? これはMaybellineです。私の旦那さんのお母さん作ったです。いつもいろいろ作った。私本当に大好き。だから私デブです。Put a little hot sauce, you good to go. 美味しい。本当に美味しい。Okay, so I went in and I wiped up under my eyes, and now I'm just going to take some of my moisturizer. This is my Nivea cream, just a little bit. I already applied some of this earlier, and I also did a sheet mask. I've been loving applying my moisturizers with a brush and my primers as well, like, you know. Next on the menu, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Primer. I absolutely love this primer. It's not completely drying, you know. It gives you just the right amount of moisture and tackiness at the same time for your foundation. You feel me? Y'all see it. And same way, I'm just gonna take a brush and blend this out. That has been my thing, you see what I'm saying? What is this hand doing? Like, why are you cocked up here just holding air? What is you doing? But every time I do my face, my hand is like this. Hydrated, prepped and prime and ready for the crime. Okay, ready. Next on the menu, we need to mattify in that T-zone. So we're gonna use that Huda Beauty. We're gonna use Huda Beauty for the Call of Duty. Okay, y'all don't know. Alright. Okay, so for my foundation today, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty and the Becca foundation just to deepen it up. And I'm gonna be doing it on the back of my hand. Oh, hello. And get the color that I am looking for. And after I have everything mixed together, we're just gonna place it all over the face. And then I'm gonna go in and just buff it in. Okay, so I am going to contour before I highlight because y'all know how, you know, I be nervous, okay? I don't want to leave it. So when I highlight, I like to set it right away. So I'm going to get this out of the way first. And then we go in and we highlight and set all that right away, okay? Okay, so for my concealer, I'm gonna be taking the Colourpop Concealer, and I'm gonna brighten up all the places that need to be brightened up. Not even gonna correct myself, I'm not. Oh my God, it's too bright. It don't look good. No, it would look better if it wasn't so bright. And for my second concealer, because it ain't bright enough, I'm gonna be using number 36 by Colourpop, and I'm gonna place that right in here, just right there. Just a little shum right there. And because I don't like to linger, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder and set right up under my eyes. Okay, now to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix Powder in NW45, and we're just gonna push this in before we buff it. Press it in there, press it in here, okay? Before you buff it in, set the foundation underneath first because you don't want to disturb it. You don't want to push it around, okay? Get around that highlight on the forehead so you don't look crazy in pictures, okay? Get under the chin, and then very lightly buff away the excess, blend in between the highlight and the contour. Make it look seamless, you see what I'm saying? And with that same powder, I'm going to contour my nose. And for my contour, I'm going to be using my Black Opal Loose Setting Powder in Deep, and we're just gonna go on top of that contour very lightly, not too much. And for my blush, I am going to be going into the Morphe N palette, and I am going to be taking this rusty shade right here. And we're gonna hit that cheek area. Just a really pretty light situation. Okay. Okay, so it is time for the finishing touches. My hair is doing its own thing today, but we gonna get into it. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I'm gonna do that off camera because you guys have seen me do that so many times, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do highlighter and lip, and we're done. Boom, boom, boom. You feel me? Okay, so for my glow today, I am going to be trying out the new sculpting palette by Sigma. Ooh, girl, dropping stuff. And that is what it looks like. And I'm gonna be trying out this shade right here for my highlighter. That one is called 24K, so okay. That's what we're trying to do. Okay, so for my tear duct color, I am going to be going into this shade right here from the Juvia's Place palette, and that is called Faso, and I think Faso is gonna look great inside there. So for my lips, like, I am loving this look. I cannot tell you how much, or stress how much I am loving this look right now. Okay, you better come through. Tell me I did something today. Okay, tell me I did something today. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and rim my lips with the Colourpop Pitch Liner. Okay, so for my lips, my lip color, I'm gonna be going in with the Kylie Jenner I want to say liquid lipstick. It's not a liquid lipstick. Lipstick in Tangerine. I feel like, okay, it's already going left. It needs a little bit of red in there. I kind of want to match it to my lips, but I don't have a color, so I'm going to be doing some mixtures right now. Hold on, hold on. Okay, this is also by Kylie, and this is called Birthday Behavior. Okay, and on top of this, I am going to be taking Rager, which is a little bit more pinky. Okay. Hey guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love how this look came out. It is super fun. It is right on time for spring, summer, a lot of things. It's right on time for a lot of things, okay? It's just very, very comfortable and colorful. comfortable. It's very, very colorful, and I am absolutely in love with it. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please give this video a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any new videos whenever I do upload, and you're locking yourself in, you're becoming a part of the family, which we are a happy bunch. So come on in, nothing but good vibes over here, okay? Make sure that you follow me on all of my social media platforms, which is Instagram and Snapchat. Everything is under Savannah Sylver. Super easy to find. Come on home, come on home. With that being said, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and until the next video, I will see you guys real soon. Y'all need to go, okay? Because I'm about to tear up another bowl of this stuff. You don't understand. She put her foot in this. You hear me? That's right. So good. So good, so good, so good.